Welcome to Kalpana InnoTech YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about how to solve Windows boot issue or preparing automatic repair error. So let's get started the video. If you are new here and not subscribed to our channel, then press the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Click on Advanced option and turn off your PC. Now press the F2 button continuously and go to the bus. Now click on System Configuration. Click on the SATA operation. Click on RAID on to AHCI. Or click on AHCI to RAID on. Now click on Apply. Now save and exit. Now enjoy, your Windows is booted successfully.
Can anybody out there hear me?